In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all notes from a NotebookLM project. To ensure this process is as easy as possible, let's walk through it together step by step. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once you're there, simply type in NotebookLM in the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results. Look for the NotebookLM website on the list and go ahead and click on it to enter the site. Once you're on the main page of NotebookLM, locate the Try NotebookLM button and click on it. This will take you to your NotebookLM dashboard, where you can see all the projects you're currently working on. Now, in the section labeled Recent Notebooks, you'll want to select the specific notebook that contains the notes you want to download or copy. This part helps you to drill down into the specific project you're interested in. After opening your desired notebook, navigate to the lower right section of the page. That's where you will find your notes neatly organized. This convenient setup allows you to instantly view and organize your notes for easy access. Now, turn your attention to the three dots found behind each note. Clicking on these will reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, you'll want to choose Convert All Notes to Source. This step converts multiple notes into a single source, streamlining the process significantly. In the Sources section, make sure to select only all notes. This ensures that you're focusing on the complete set of notes, rather than individual entries. This approach is especially beneficial when handling larger projects with numerous entries. Next, it's time to type a prompt. You can use something like, "Combine this into one note." This instructs the program to consolidate your notes into a single, cohesive document for easier management. With the prompt typed out, hit the Submit button. This sends your request through, allowing the program to process and organize your notes as specified. Student-friendly and efficient, this step reduces the manual effort you'd otherwise have to invest in sifting through scattered notes. After you've successfully combined your notes, locate the copy icon. Clicking this will copy the consolidated content to your clipboard, preparing it for external use. Now, open up a new document in your preferred word processor, such as Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Paste your notes into this new document, and voila, your notes are now in a fresh document that you can easily work with. From here, you can format, edit, and save the document however you prefer. Whether you want to save it as a PDF or a Word file, the choice is yours. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded and consolidated your NotebookLM notes into a singular, editable document.